Hi there, this is Zen, and this is the skinny version of the box model. It's the quickie, so let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, what exactly is the box model? It's basically a model that your browser uses when it comes across HTML elements that it needs to render. Okay, and it uses the box model to work out how to display the HTML element, and to some degree its position as well as its position to other elements on the page. Now, at the start of this, you have the content. The content is the bit in the middle. It is the reason why we have the HTML element in the first place. This is going to be your image, your text, a video, maybe a combination of any of those together. Okay. Although they have a lot of properties, when we talk about the box model, we're really concerned about the width and the height values, which can be set in CSS. Outside of the content, we have the padding. Now, the padding is actually the same color as the content, but due to the fact that we've got a diagram here, we've got it as a different color. The padding basically is a spacer. It creates a void from the content to the border. Now, the padding can have different widths on all four sides. Okay, so you can set it such as padding top, padding right, padding bottom, padding left. And then outside of the padding, we have the border. So the padding basically makes that gap between the content and the border. Now, we've all seen the borders before. We know exactly what they are. They are a visual delimiter. They sort of shows where that content basically ends. Now, that has three main properties: width, color, and style. So obviously color can be any color it wants to be. Width is obviously the thickness of it, and again you can do top, right, bottom, left, all different values. The styles, well, to be honest, they're not that great, but the main ones are like solid, dotted, dash, groove, inset, outset, but it's all fairly straightforward. Now, on the outside of the border, we actually have the margin, and the margin is very much like the padding, except for it's on the outside of the border. The job of the margin is to create space or distance between the border of the element that it is attached to that border of the next element that is next to it. Just like the padding and like the border, it has a thickness value that can be changed on the top, right, bottom, and left. And that's basically it. That is the box model in one. So please like, dislike, tell me what you want me to improve. Don't forget to subscribe, write a comment. This is Zen, signing out.